Rabble Show. I got chat to them and make them chat for it. Rabble, rabble, you don't know, say the one and only NASH-I Rabble Danger. And on this platform, we do things different. Rabble, rabbles. Rabblings, Jamaica, the land we love, duh. But sometimes I have to wonder if we really love it, because the things them we go on with more time. But at the end of the day, I can't tell nobody how to live them life. Everybody's supposed to know wrong from right, duh. Comment in the comment section below and tell me if I lie, me I tell. I'ma say that for say this, in a life, be the best you can be, because this world we're living in, full of distraction. Jano, Rabblings, the story that I'm about to break, I can't believe it happening in Jamaica. I only hear them things in Europe, America, or some part of Africa. Right now, a new cult found in Jamaica, where young girls married to the elders. Jano, Rabblings, it hurt me. Comment in the comment section below and tell me how you feel. Tell me now, Rabblings, what you think the authorities should do about this situation? Right now it is said police on a mission to rescue the girls. Honestly, me know there is a God, but me not to practice religion. Rabble, straight Rabblings, spread this.
Gates heavily padlocked, and the police trying to negotiate with the operators of this church, Yahweh Nissi, who have now broken out in song. They have been here for hours, acting on received reports that several girls are being held against their will and have been prevented from making contact with anyone outside the establishment. Armed with this information, they arrived at the church asking the operators to let them in, but they refused. The police had no other choice but to take action. On the compound, several girls were seen dressed in white and blue loose-fitting garments, the men in khaki pants and blue shirts, chanting Yahweh Nissi. When the police tried to intervene, this happened. Eventually, they were able to rescue 3 girls from the building, hoping to return for others. Sources tell CVM Live that 3 other girls were rescued some time ago, and residents are raising concerns about the living conditions of those who live in the tents on the compound. There are reports that some girls have been abused.
Beat them or so, and let them marry to the elder ones in the church.
CVM Live has also received reports that many of the girls are children of those who have joined the church. The girls allegedly attend the school at the church and are married to male members at age 16.
She is pregnant! She is pregnant! She is over 38 years old, pregnant! And this is what they are doing!
The operators say they have done nothing wrong.
We truly believe that we have been treated unfairly by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Child Development Agency, and as a result today, as we have come again, trying to take more of our children, we have decided to take a stand.
Khadija Thomas, CVM Live.
Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, yeah, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings. Yeah, murder suicide. Man kill them woman and then kill themselves, or woman kill them man and then kill herself. Me I wonder if that was a part of Jamaica growing up as a youth. God no Rabblings, me I wonder. But here Wagwan, me have the Rabblings, the G's and the elders them, and we are going to see if we can see the mindset of Wagwan right now in our society. Rabblings.
Come. Kind of mess your world, brother.
Let me hear what the public thinks. Chat. Artist, what's new?